Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you this great, very wonderful, very pretty and very easy knitting stitch pattern. See what a beautiful looks of this pattern. This is so nice and so charming pattern. So this pattern you can use in ladies sweater, jeans sweater, baby sweater, ladies cardigan, for jumper, for shawl. So this is our front side view of the pattern, and this is our back side view of the pattern. See, so in order to make this pattern you will need to cast on multiples of 8 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch, multiples of 8 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch, and this is only 12 rows repeat pattern. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. So friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. So friends, I cast on 19 stitches on my knitting needles and I have only 2 repeats here. So let's knit together. So slip edge stitch and knit 1, yarn over, SSK, SSK, knit 3, knit 3, and then knit 2 together, knit 2 together, yarn over, yarn over. That's the repeat. This is our one repeat. Now we repeat it again. Knit 1, SSK, yarn over, SSK, knit 3, knit 2 together, and then yarn over. This is our second repeat. Now we knit for last one knit stitch and knit edge stitch. So row 1 is complete. Now we knit row 2 and row 2 we purl all stitches. So we purl all stitches. Now we knit row 3, and for row 3 we slip edge stitch, knit 2, knit 2, and then yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 1, SSK, yarn over and knit 1, knit 1. This is our first repeat. Again knit 2, knit 2, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, SSK, SSK, yarn over, knit 1. So this is our second repeat. Now we knit 1 and knit edge stitch. So friends, row 3 is complete. Now we knit row 4, and for row 4 we slip edge stitch and then knit 3, knit 3, purl 3, purl 3, and then knit 5, knit 5, and purl 3, purl 3, and then knit 3, knit 3, purl edge stitch. Now row 4 is complete. Now we knit row 5, and for row 5 we knit as it is, slip edge stitch and then purl 3, purl 3, and knit 3, purl 5, purl 5, knit 3, purl 3, and knit edge stitch. So friends, row 5 is complete. Now we knit row 6, and row 6 we knit as it is. We knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. We slip edge stitch, knit 3, purl 3, again knit 5, knit 5, purl 3, knit 3, purl edge stitch. So friends, row 7 is complete. So friends, row 6 is complete. Now we knit row 7, and for row 7 we slip edge stitch and then knit 2 and knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, SSK, and then knit 3, knit 3. This is our, that's the repeat. Now we repeat it again. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, and then knit 2 and knit 1. So friends, row 7 is complete. Now we knit row 8, and row 8 we purl all stitches. We purl all stitches. So friends, row 8 is complete. Now we knit row 9, and row 9 we slip edge stitch, edge stitch, knit 1, SSK, SSK, yarn over, knit 3, knit 3, yarn over, knit 2 together. That's the repeat. Now we repeat it again. Knit 1, SSK, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, knit 2 together, and for last knit 1 and knit edge stitch. So friends, row 9 is complete. Now we knit row 10, and row 10 we slip edge stitch, and then purl 2, and then knit 5, knit 5, and then purl 3, purl 3. That's the repeat. Again knit 5, purl 2, purl edge stitch. So friends, row 10 is complete. Now we knit row 11, and for row 11 we slip edge stitch, and we need to purl 5, purl 5, knit 2, knit 3. That's the repeat. Now again we repeat purl 5, and for last knit 2 and knit each stitch. So friends, row 11 is complete. Now we knit row 12, and for row 12 we knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So we slip edge stitch, purl 2, knit 5, again purl 3, again knit 5, purl 2, purl edge stitch. So friends, row 12 is complete, and you can see how I knitted row 1 to row 12. So friends, I have only one repeat here. So you repeat this repeat pattern 1 to 12 rows over and over again according to your desired length. And so friends, as you can see, this is wonderful pattern. This is very nice pattern, very cute pattern. You can use this pattern for any kinds of projects. So I hope you will like the pattern, and if you like the pattern, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new videos. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all the best in knittings. Goodbye.